Yes, hi. So you are going to do those. Everything is there in the book. The torrid zone, the feature zone, distinguish between the following. You can do first. Do it, try it, and do it. In the next class, I'll try to put up because when your classes again start again, and during your vacation, this vacation time, these are all stocked up videos for you. So it will be there. All answers will be given to you, and you have to solve it yourself. How is the axis of the Earth useful in locating places on the globe? That answer is there in the book. Compare the features of the torrid zone and the temperate zone. What are the advantages of having parallels and meridians? Name any four countries which have more than one time zone. Russia has got 11 time zones. See which other country has got time zones. Okay. Give long answers. Like I'll find you this answer. Time zones. Some countries in the world such as Russia, Canada, US and Australia, they all have different time zones. Okay, so this is the answer. What are the characteristics of parallels? What are the characteristics of parallels? The characteristics of parallels. All parallels are complete circles except 90 degree and 90 degree south, north and south, which are points. The equator is the largest parallel. The length of the other parallels decrease as one moves away from the equator of the poles. All parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. The distance between any two parallels at an interval of 1 degree on the surface of the earth is about 111 kilometers. The equator is the only great circle while the other parallels are all small circles. Okay. What are the main characteristics of the meridians? The main characteristics of meridians. The length of all the meridians is the same as each one is a semicircle. Meridian. Okay. Any two opposite meridians, when taken together, complete a full form of great circle. The maximum distance between any two meridians is at the equator, which is 111 kilometers for 1 degree of longitude. The distance between any two meridians decrease as we go away from the equator towards the poles. All meridians meet at the poles. East of the prime meridian is 180 degree, is the eastern hemisphere, and west of the prime meridian up to west is 180. So 180 half, 180 half. Okay, so it's actually like this. The meridians are calculated by this. The distance from this meridian to that meridian is 180 degrees. And the longitude, the parallel is like this, but it is taken the distance like that. This distance, the longitude distance is taken this way, and the parallel lines distance is taken this way. Okay, so it's just opposite. So it's in the western hemisphere. Now, what is the relationship between longitude and time? Okay, the relation between longitude and time is, this is a direct relationship between the longitude of a place and at the time or at a place. The earth rotates. Every meridian on the earth faces the sun once a day. This is the time when the sun reaches the highest point in the sky. The earth rotates from west to east. The places which are situated on the east of the prime meridian will have sunrise earlier than those which are towards the west. For example, Tokyo experiences sunrise before London and experiences sunrise before New York. Okay, so that you have to check and see. What is the purpose of having time zones? We are able to locate our local times. That is there. Why is the standard time of Bangladesh half an hour ahead of India? Check that, because it's on the eastern side, so you have to see the grid, you have to see the longitude which is on. Why is standard time needed for every country? So that you don't have problems in doing their work. How does the time of a place depend on its longitude? Because that's the time, the longitude is away from, we calculate with the Greenwich time. That you have to give the explanation, it's there in the book. You have to write it on yourself. Okay, so that will be that, and try to do these, and I'll come back with another chapter next time. Keep these homeworks and knowledge. Please make sure that you don't make any spelling mistakes. Please take as much as time possible for doing your homework, and what do you say, trying to solve it properly, looking properly and writing your spellings properly. I disagree and I hate mistakes with spellings, because you are seeing and writing. If someone sees and writes, how can they make mistakes? So double check. If you have a mistake, don't use markers or don't use that whiteners. Please, class 5, you are still writing with pencil, so rub it off. Don't dirty your copy. Keep it neat and clean, and it should be presentable. Take your time, write slowly. If you are doing one question now, take 10 minutes rest, do another question, then no problem. And I am teaching so slowly, you can write also slowly, but you don't have to be fast. Okay? So, no, sorry, you are in class 6. My mistake. Sorry. I still remember you as class 5. Sorry. So you are writing with pen now, so make sure that you don't make mistake. Please don't use any whiteners. If there is a mistake, just put a straight line, leave it like that. I will understand. Don't decorate it. Okay, so do those homeworks and keep it. And if there is any mistakes in any answer, I think I'll get it upgraded for you. I'll do it for you. And now we'll come to the motions of the earth in the next class, and we'll start that. Okay, so see you. Take care of yourselves and be good, and respect your parents. Do some physical activities at home instead of playing PUBG or whatever games you play on the mobile. Play some other games, play hide and seek, jump around, do some skipping, do 100 skippings a day, and try to do some workout. Do your taekwondo kicks, punches, hoo-ha and all that. Take your father, mother, everybody. You become a teacher of taekwondo and teach everybody, and have fun. Respect your parents and take care of yourselves. Be home, be safe, and do whatever you want after you do your studies. Enjoy life. Bye bye.